How to change your TikTok photo. Hi guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your profile TikTok photo. So first thing, go to TikTok application on your phone. Now go to profile. This is my profile. Now tap on edit profile. If you have a video, if you have a video, you can change the video. You can tap on change video. If you have a photo like me, you can change the photo by tap on change photo. You can select the photo from gallery or take a photo. I'm gonna select a photo from gallery. For example, this is my photos. I'm gonna take another photo like this and tap on confirm. But I don't want to change my photo. I'm just gonna save my oldest photo, and this is it. This is how you change your profile photo. Hope you like the video. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe and like.